Two identical control towers are d meters apart. The controller from tower P observes a jet fighter at an angle of elevation of 26 degrees. The pilot looks down at tower Q with an angle of depression of 42 degrees. Tower Q is directly due east of tower P. If the jet is flying at a height of 3,250 meters, calculate the distance between the two towers, and we're not going to include the height of the two towers here. Okay, so drawing out separate triangles. So the triangle I'm going to draw out first of all is this one here. So marking on, so this side will be 26 degrees, this side will be 3,250 meters. And what I need to calculate is the adjacent side. The adjacent one next to it, this is the opposite. It's always a good idea to label your triangles. So that will give me this distance up to here, which I'm going to call A. I'm also going to have to calculate B as well. So we'll mark on A in our diagram. So we got opposite, adjacent, and angle. So that means I'm going to use that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Therefore, tan of 26 is going to be 3,250 divided by A. Again, I need to be careful rearranging that, because that's going to give me A is 3,250 over tan 26. I don't need to work it out. We'll just leave it there for the moment. Right, now drawing out this triangle. So drawing out this triangle, we've got an angle here at a degree sign. Now, what is this angle going to be? Well, this angle here is going to be, this here is a 90-degree right angle. So this is going to be 90 minus 42, which is going to be equal to 48. Or you could call this one here 42 degrees using the idea that you have a Z angle. Whatever works for you. Okay, so I'm going to call this 48. This height here is 3,250. This is the adjacent side. This is the opposite. Again, I'm going to use tan. So tan of theta is opposite over adjacent. The opposite side, tan 48, will be B. This length here is B. Over 3,250, which is going to give me that B is 3,250 tan 48. Right, I wanted the distance between the two towers. So we'll just write that in here. So that's going to be A plus B. So that's going to be 3,250 tan 26 plus 3,250 tan 48. Adding those two together will give me 10,277.97. Normally round off to three significant figures, so that 7 will make that a 3. We need to add in 2 zeros. So it's 10,300 meters or 10.3 kilometers, correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the distance between two control towers. We have made one assumption here. We've not included the height of the control towers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.